Hey, good morning. Phil, Sensible Products. We're looking at a beautiful looking Pierce here Velocity, a 107 ladder for Granville Township Fire Department. We worked with Lieutenant Hussey, Ryan Hussey, and Gary Harmon on this truck. They really had their act together on where they wanted the stuff placed. We'll show you inside the cab when we get around to the other side. Lower cab compartments each has a water can on it. And then inside the door on both sides in the rear, we made them custom little boxes for the radio to sit in. We mounted the stream lights, and then there's a tool on each side. You can see on the back of those cabinets the upper cab compartment, Halligan on both sides. Okay, moving down the side here, we mounted some tools on the back of the cab. So you got a trash hook on each side and two New York hooks. Then as we move along here, so this is kind of unique. When they brought the truck, they brought an inventory of everything to go in the cabinet. And when I say an inventory, here's the inventory list that was stuck on the inside of every door. So basically they said, here's the stuff that goes in there. And then they had some ideas and they gave us free rein to put some of the stuff where we want. A lot of water flow stuff in here. Of course, these are on the posts. Quick lift on and off. Antique cellar nozzle, looks pretty nice. Everything's labeled. And some hose roll dividers down below there. Second cabinet here, we added a shelf. We also added this clear vinyl cover on here, which is kind of neat because they wanted to protect the side of the truck. So when we added the shelf, we put this on here so that protects this if they pull something out of there. This is a big chimney box they use for chimney fires. Of course, the road cones and some other stuff here. This is set up, I believe some cribbing's going to go in there down the road. Now we're going to put a slide in here, so we supplied them the shelf. The slide unit, they're going to bolt that in themselves. We made them a visqueen holder up there to put visqueen on, battery saw parts like we always do. Coming around the back corner on the officer's side, two telly lights. The aerial remote control is mounted on the door. So these are all individual toolboxes with toolkits, so like a lockout, tag out kit, a board up kit, HVAC kit, general toolkit, some battery lights, and then a strong arm. They still got a little bit of space in here for some additional stuff. RIT pack and search rope. They're high-rise packs right here, standpipe kit, and once again, we got our cover that goes on here. This really worked out pretty nice. Protects the side of the rig, so that worked out really good. And we labeled the hotel pack so they know exactly what's there. They got 100 foot at 2.5 there and 50 foot up top. Fans in here, two ram fans with extendable tube for confined space ventilation. Battery super vac fan. We did mount on both sides too the jack pads, so these slide into plastic tracks right here. The rear one's mounted underneath the truck, but these were laying loose, so we got those secured underneath, and it worked out good with a split depth cabinet. Tools once again on this side. And then we can see the radio holder, tools by both seats, Halligan tool. And then up in the cab here, we'll give it to the guy that made all this stuff up in here. On the front dash, you got another radio holder, you got a post for a helmet, officer's tool, glove box, cell phone holder over there on the dash. So this worked out really good. And once again, they had everything laid out. Every cabinet had one of these lists with the equipment to go in there, and then gave us the freedom to mount it as we saw fit. So yeah, this worked out to be a nice job. Sold, of course, by Atlantic Emergency, Dave Reichman. And like I said, we work with Lieutenant Ryan Hussey and Gary Harmon on this truck. And they'll be here in a few minutes to pick it up. So this was a good job. We'll see you the next time.